also record whatever is going to be taken in the class. Okay,
Okay.
fine, guys. So let us just see. So this is VM Player workstation. This software will be provided to you once you join our batch, and this is the window XP. Okay, so you know VMware software is used to access multiple operating systems, and this is one of the software what I tell everyone to use, and I will provide the same, and I given to Ramkrishnan, and I think he has downloaded. No, Ramkrishnan, what happened? There were some issues you were facing, right?
Yeah, I have downloaded. For me, I mean, this workstation player, it is showing only home for me. I mean, it's not like the second option. The reason is I have downloaded this, I have opened, but somehow it's not working. I'm getting some error message.
So can you just share your screen if you don't mind,
Sure,
and then we can
sure, sure. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
One second, Shreya. We are just seeing that Ramkrishna is facing some issue with respect to the software. So we'll
Mhm.
try to help him, and then we will continue with our class. Okay?
Sure, sir.
Vikram, I am getting post disabled participant screen
No, no,
share.
no. I will have to make you the host. Okay. Let me. Then you later make me the host. Okay. I have made you the host. So now, mm,
Yeah, now I'm able to. Let me know when you're able to see this.
yes. I can see your screen.
Okay.
Yeah. So
This one only, right?
yes.
Yeah.
No.
That one.
Did you downloaded that VM Player Station from the Google? I told you.
Yes. That I
Yes.
have done. And let me show you. So it is showing like this.
No, no. Hold on. Just click on Open Virtual Machine. Open virtual machine. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Now go to that software VM_T, whatever I have given you. You downloaded somewhere, right? Do you know
Yes.
where
Yes.
you have downloaded?
Yeah.
Why you downloaded in C drive here? You could have kept in DE, so it will be better. But that's fine. Yeah.
Yeah. This one.
No. Just write here all files, not all supported here. Can you see a filter in the end?
Here.
No. Can you see?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. All but okay.
Yes. Now here, can you see that max? Can you sort it by size? Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, hold on. Can you second one? Yes.
This one.
Yes. Open. Where's
Okay.
file size script? Okay. Yes. Just try once again. Click on open. Try. Yeah. Just open that all files. Mm, no. Where you have downloaded this? Can you show me that software VMT?
Okay.
Can you keep it in D drive or D drive? It's making a.
Okay.
But that's okay in C. Yeah. Yes. Open the first one. Yes. Open the VMT. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Open this one. Yes. Open this one. Yes. Now what you do is, I don't know why you are getting this issue. What you do is you try to take the first one, VMXP Professional. Yeah. Open it. VMX file is corrupt. Okay. What we will do is,
Can I extract it again and can you show you how?
Yes. Can you go to D drive or E drive or some other drive apart from C drive? Don't keep anything in C drive. Oh, you don't have a space in E drive. What about? Okay, you have only space in C drive.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Just open that software.
Can I extract it again?
Yes. But first delete the first one. Hold on. Delete the first one. Shift delete. Do it. Shift delete is big. Okay. That's fine.
Extract here.
Hmm. Which version of VM player you downloaded? Did you download it? Just go to Google and download a fresh one. Uninstall this VMware. I don't know where from you have downloaded this one. Yeah.
This one only, right? We can see this file properties. I have downloaded the latest one only over there. So we can see.
No. I just wanted to see the installation. But okay, let us just see if it will not work. I will have to download this software again in front of me. Okay, that is fine. Just open that VM player now. Download that VM player. Download. Yes. No, second option. Yeah, come down. Yes. That's what. No. Second one. From the top, the second list. Yes.
Oh, this.
Yes. Very good. Yeah.
This is what I have downloaded.
Yes. Download now. So that is extracted.
It's still.
Okay. So Shreya, this is my YouTube link and all those things I will show you. I think there no Ramakrishna. Can you show that you have no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Meanwhile, can you just show to Shreya? So this is my link. Okay. This is Vikram testing and VTS Vikram testing solution. Here you can download this syllabus and this is our website. And this is our ETL project YouTube link. Can you just open? So this is my YouTube link, and here we keep the videos and things whichever I have taken. Some of the videos became viral, some of the videos I have just kept. So if you want to see the way I teach and all, is somewhere, some of the classes are here also. So this is what is the we proceed, and this is just a generic thing which URL I will be sharing you.
Okay.
And this is just lectures which I have given, but you can just go through it whenever you have time, but actual lecture will be here in the class that will be live.
Okay, sir, here one more thing I would like to tell you that I'm completely unaware of this software line. I have experience in telecom industry and I'm completely fresher to this thing.
No problem. Don't worry about all those things. We have placed people from mechanical and all those things. You are at least better. Okay, so don't worry about all those things.
Okay.
Yeah.
This was extracted.
Yes. So just you install the new VM player. Hold on. Double click on this one. Yes.
Can you say this, Vikram?
Yeah, stop the following process or process to enable. Okay, just do it. Okay. Next. What is happening? Hold on.
I think it is asking to it is asking to the close existing one.
Yeah. No. Just what we will do is no, we can uninstall this one. I don't know. You just uninstall from control panel. No? You can go to control panel and uninstall. Right. Go to control panel. Okay. Open that. Okay. Just go to uninstall. Install. There will be something uninstall. Install. Is there something called as uninstall? Install.
You can go in program and features. Yeah, in this row only.
Third column.
Yeah.
Yes, go to that. Yeah, just now uninstall that VM player. You can just search by name, sort it by name, and you can just get that. Yeah, just uninstall this one. Yes, very good. Just double click, it will be uninstalled. Yes, next, finish. Just do that. Okay, next. Oh, you have to stop. You close that VM player.
remove, right?
Remove. Hey, hi, Divya and Nilima. Okay.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Actually, what we are doing is that one software we are installing, and we are looking for that one in Ramakrishna system. And once that is installed and all, and then we can start our classes. Okay. This is 1.5 to 2 month classes, and then after that we'll start placing. And the details I will be telling you. Yes, just install that. No, don't install this one. Hold on. Don't click on this one. Go to that downloaded file. Yes, install this one. Yeah, so what I was telling is it will take 1.5 to 2 months, and then based on that, we'll take the mock interview and we'll give you CV, your interview preparation, your project, your roles and responsibilities. Only thing is that you have to just attend the class and do the classes seriously, and based on that, we will do. What
Getting
happened?
this, ratio you cancel with
Yes, do it, yes. Yeah, so based on that, we will be placing you and we'll be providing you CV, we'll providing you the documents to study, we'll be providing you class notes, recording, and all those things we will be providing you. Just need to pay attention and in this particular domain of ETL testing. So this is one of the best tool, Informatica. So we will learn this particular tool and test management tool. We will learn is what application life cycle management. You have worked in in manual, Ramkrishnan. Have you heard about ALM, quality center?
I mean, I have not worked on this tool actually. I have worked on Jira.
Okay. No, this is a test management tool, application life cycle management or quality center. Jira is also Zapier is also Jira's higher version. That is also a test management tool. So as of now, we are just learning what we are going to learn. Don't worry. These things we are going to learn. Jira is a bug tracking tool that also we will talk about that. Jira bug tracking tool. Okay. All these things we are going to learn. CV and all those things. So, okay. So what we are going to learn, we are going to learn ETL testing, BI reporting testing, data warehouse testing, database testing, manual testing, everything we are going to learn in this session. We'll prepare for the CV mock interview and then you will clear the interview. Almost out of 100 question, 99 question will be discussed in this session, in this class. Same questions will be asked. You have to give the same answers and you have to, what you have to do is just you have to attend the class. I have placed more than 40,000 students in my life. So I confidently tell that one who does my 2-month class will get a job in IT without any second thought. You can see I will take 1 or 2 classes. You can decide, you will feel that this person is different because I don't open any PPT, PDF, all those things. The way I will take class will be very, very simple and I'll give you so many chances to ask so many questions. So you can just rely, and if you want to make your career in IT, please join it. And if you don't want to make your career in IT, then this is not the platform. This is not the place, right place. And if you have just joined for time pass, this is not a place. You can leave, no problem. So this is the way we proceed. And if you want to make your career in IT, this is the best platform, and this is the right place where you are. And here, not only apart from this ETL and data warehouse BI reporting, all those things will be taught. Also, your CV, what we will prepare, will be one of the best CV in this entire country. And whichever company you want to apply with respect to ETL testing, there's no doubt that CV will get rejected. A CV will get accepted anywhere, any top level MNC you go. What?
Sir, will you provide course completion certificate also?
No, we are not providing any course completion certificate. We are providing you the CV, because see, certification will not help anywhere. Once
Yeah,
you join
exactly.
certification, there are many institutes we will take fees from you and they'll provide one certificate, and the faculty is not bothered, the students are not bothered. That certificate is not going to help you anywhere in your life. I tell you. What we will provide is the complete technical knowledge, your CV, your mock, and till you get placed. We challenge that the people who joins our institute nicely gets placed. We openly challenge it. Entire India we challenge. VTS, you can see our feedback, or the students are there, and if you want, you can talk with them. So all the students who have got placed, they were from some from telecom, some from BPO, some from KPI. Means the people from other background. I used to go. I have taken their career when their career was not that kind of career, when they were working in BPO, tech support, manual, all those things. From there, I have to take them and I have taught them, and finally I have placed them. Now my students have gone to on-site also. So that level we have given them, that level of confidence we give in them, that whoever takes interview in entire India in any MNC, they will clear if they have done our class. So that level of confidence will come from that level of knowledge which we openly teach and openly tell everyone. You will see the way we teach, the way we learn will be completely different, which you would have studied in your school life, college life. But the way this class will be, that will be completely interactive, that will be completely real time, and that will be completely job oriented and your knowledge oriented. So you will see that there's a difference between the classes what you would have studied in your life with the faculty in the college, school, and some or the other institute, and the quality of teaching what here it will be taken will be completely different. There's no comparison. You will just feel that. See, the password is Tiger. Okay, this is Oracle SQL Plus software, where we are going to learn which database. Can everyone tell me which database we are going to learn?
Oracle.
Oracle. Guys, at least just tell me that we are going to learn which software. Oracle.
Oracle.
Okay, so Oracle has lot of version. We are learning Oracle 10.2. There is something called as Oracle started.
10.2 is updated version, right?
No. There are a lot of versions. See, Oracle is a software which is started from 8, then next version was 9, then next version was 10G. Okay, then next version was 9. They were telling us 9I, I for internet, G for grid. Then it came 11G, then it came 12C. Okay, but latest version is 12C or 13C, but what we know is the latest version 12C, that is cloud computing. So we are learning 10G. You can just tell I was working in 12C. The functionality is completely the same. Don't have to worry. We are learning Oracle 10G. Now, in this Oracle software, what we are going to learn is what? We are going to learn SQL. Full form of SQL is what? Can anyone tell me full form of SQL?
Structural query language.
Structured query language. So what is SQL? I have heard that some people are telling SQL. Have you heard about that?
No.
I thought it was same SQL.
Hmm?
SQL, I thought SQL language only.
Some people used to tell SQL, some people used to tell SQL. So the thing is, SQL was previously called as SQL, Structured English Query Language. Okay, so it's both the same thing. Thing is same. Only thing is the name is different. Before it was called as what? Structured English Query Language. So don't get confused. SQL or SQL is the same thing. Just the name is before. It was called as Structured English Query Language. Now it is called as SQL. Oracle is the company, and which provides this software, one of the best company in this entire world. Oracle, Microsoft, these are product-based company. Do you know what is the difference between product-based company and service-based company? Have you heard about that? Guys, can you give me some idea? Can you think what
Yeah,
can be,
product,
yeah, what
yeah,
will,
product, yeah, product-based companies, like, I mean, they are developing their own product.
okay,
And service-based companies, like, they'll be providing services to the other companies, I mean, to the clients, something like that.
yes. So product-based company, what they will do, they will develop their own product. That means what happened, I go to a hospital, I see that patient information is written in a notebook. What is that patient, what medicine is getting, what treatment, and all those things are written in a notebook. What I did, I thought I will develop a software on that for the patient details. So what happened, I developed a product. So now I launched it into the market, people started buying it. That is nothing but your product-based company. Are you able to understand? Service-based company is what? Someone tells me what? That I want a software to be developed like this, like this, like this. Suppose Infosys is a service-based company. What they tell? They tell what? Yeah, develop a software like this, like this, like this. Some company told them, okay, just develop. They just gone through that. They want what? They want a software like Facebook to be developed. Some company told to Infosys developed a software called as like Facebook, and they have given a service. Okay, so that is nothing but your service-based company. Do you know any product-based company? Have you heard about any name? Oracle is a product-based company. Then
Facebook, Google.
Microsoft, Facebook, then Google, then IBM. And do you know any service-based company? Because have you ever heard about any
Infosys.
service-based company? Tell me. Infosys, then
TCS,
TCS, then
Cognizant,
Cognizant, then
then
Tech Mahindra.
Tech Mahindra, then Accenture, then
Accenture also.
then IBM. So IBM is idhar bhi udhar bhi. How IBM is idhar bhi udhar bhi? That means what? It is a hybrid company. Are you able to understand? There is product-based company, there is a service-based company, and there is also called as what? Hybrid company.
Hybrid-based company.
Hybrid company means what? It will work as both service-based company and product-based company. It will have its own product also, and it will also give services to other companies also. So that is called as what? Hybrid company. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Yes.
yes, yeah.
So see, the difference is product-based company, product-based company is something which you will learn about a product, and you will have an intense knowledge on the product and the overall the package what a product based company gives. A Microsoft is a product based company, Facebook, Google, Oracle, Intel, these kind of companies, if you go into this, the package is unlimited. The package in the product based company, if you go, there is no limit. There is no limit, I can tell you. If you go to Microsoft, 50 lakh, 60 lakh, 1 crore, 2 crore, like this package you can go get in a product based company. At a senior level, at a junior level also, if you go as a fresher also, I have worked in product based companies. A fresher, the minimum package was 7 lakh when I was in a product based company. I have worked in both product based, service based, hybrid. So I have worked in I have done in my life more than 6 IT companies and more than 7 testing institutes. I have done all those things. So there's no limit, and it's old age people generally, because they are taking very, very talented people in a product based company. And if you get a product based company, nicely you will learn about the product, and nicely the work culture will be there, and there will be smoothness because there will be no timeline. Okay, there's not like that timeline. Today, not tomorrow. This is my product. Today, not tomorrow, I will launch. But if you go to service based company, what will happen? There's a limit of there's a limit of salary. Okay, they have some, but again there's some proper standards what they maintain to give that this particular experience, this particular package, and those things they maintain. Okay, and you have to give service to the customer. So there is a dead timeline. Okay, Dead timeline in a service-based company. So in this service-based company, what happened, Infosys, Wipro, and any such kind of companies, there's a dead timeline. You have to finish the work within that timeline. And if you are not finishing, what will happen? You'll get a red card. Are you understanding a red card? You
Yeah.
will be told to please leave the company. So that is what is service-based company, but they will take you outing and all. So this is what is product-based and service-based company. So which company you want to join?
Obviously,
Obviously, product-based
product-based
company.
company.
You will tell me, Vikram, first give me job. Leave about product-based, service-based. Okay. So anyways, both are good. Okay. But when you go to a service-based company, no, don't think like that. Service-based company, youngsters will be there. Lot of outing, party, and position all be pro and all. When you'll go work in such kind of companies, no, there's a lot of fun. Product-based companies are all Buddha, Buddhi. Everyone will be there in the product-based company. But both are good. You should work in both. Initially, you should take any company. Later
So
on,
we'll
if you
start from service-based company, and then after we'll try for product-based
yes,
company.
yes. No. Whatever initially, no, whichever service-based product-based, just take it. Get experience and then target a product-based company like Microsoft, Facebook, Google. And
Right.
then once you get a sufficient knowledge, then go to that, because their technical team interviews in Microsoft is 9 rounds. I don't know how many of you know that. Google 9 rounds. So these kind of companies, they require adequate knowledge and a good knowledge. So initially also you can join product-based company or any service-based company wherever you get a job in IT. Later on, you can just try to go in a top level MNC like Microsoft and Intel and all, because their package is used, their reputation is used. I think the world's richest people, they own those companies. Bill Gates was the owner of Microsoft. So the most richest people, they are Jeff Bezos, Amazon. So all those rich peoples are in product based only. Okay, so initially just take a job and later you can just target a particular product based company, whichever you want, and then you can just move there. And some are a hybrid company like IBM and all, they will work as product based, service based, everything they will do. So this is just an introduction. I wanted to tell you product based, service based. This is my software. This is my website, bikramtesting.com. And this is my YouTube link, which I have already shared. So you can see my YouTube link. I think Ramkrishnan has seen that. And I take 6 days a week class because I cannot take less than that.
When it comes to cybersecurity, endorsement from IIT Bangalore on your resume could make all the
This is one of the class. You can see the views are increasing. 2000 views has crossed. And this class was taken by me only. Just one class. I have just put this. How many people asked the doubt and all? This is first letter as capital. So this is the links which I will be sharing you. You can just go through this. This is the URL Vikram testing, from where you can just download the syllabus. Okay, whenever you want, you can just download the syllabus and you can have a look what are the things we will do. And don't think about that will I get job and all. You will get job. I'll take your responsibility, and I will make sure that you get the job. Just you attend my classes for not more than 2 months. Within 2 months I will finish it. Just you have to attend 6 days. It's tough, but it is good. Only 1 hour I will take from 8 to 9 p.m. in the weekdays, and in weekends it will be 2 to 3 hours, because I have to finish this syllabus, a huge syllabus. So this is what we will proceed. This is a software we will give, and everything I have told you the details, and you can, if you like, you can just proceed. So guys, so this is SQL Plus software. Let us see something. What is the data in this? Okay, so select a star from EMP. I don't know how many of you have ever heard about SQL in your college days. Have you heard about that?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So there is something called as SQL, and we will learn SQL. So just I'll tell you what is set line size, base size, on all those things. Just I wanted to show you that this is a table. Can you see a table? This is which table?
Yes,
What is
sir.
the name of the table? EMP. What is the name of the table? EMP.
EMP.
See, the first line of code, what any SQL programmer, anyone in this world, first he learns what? Select a star from table. Select means, is just like English. Select means select. Star means everything, rows and columns. from is from, EMP is the table name. So this is the very, very first query anyone has to learn. That is nothing but the select star from EMP. Are you able to understand? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
So this is very, very simple query, select a star from EMP. Okay. So if I want to select a particular column, suppose employee number. So what I have to do is same English, select, and what I have to write? What is the column name? EMP number. From which table? EMP. Did this column got selected? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
And if I want to select 3 columns, select employee number, ename, job, then what will be the query? Can you just think? Select.
Select ENP name.
Ah,
Sorry, ENP number, ENP name,
okay.
ENP job.
EMP job or only job? What is the column name here? You have to select the column name. Ramkrishnan, are you understanding? We are selecting these 3 columns. So what will be the query? Select employee number, ename, job.
Name,
Job.
Job from which table?
ENP.
EMP.
EMP. Are you getting some idea how the data are getting selected? Tell me yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So there is something called as rules of writing SQL query. So we will learn something called as what? Rules of writing. Because anything we want to know, we have to learn some rules. Okay. Anything we want to know, we have to know some rules. Okay. If we want to learn Hindi, there's a particular rule. If you want to learn Kannada, there's a particular rule. If you want to learn English, there's a particular rule. If you want to learn Tamil, there's a particular rule. Similarly, if you want to learn SQL, there's a particular rule. What is the rule? A SQL language is not case sensitive. Let us just see. There's just first rule. SQL language is not case sensitive. That means what? If I write like this, will it work? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Will it work? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, because this is not a case sensitive. So all this Java thing is not there. That camel and horse structure, all those things are not there. SQL is very simple. There is no case sensitivity. Rule 1 clear. Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, this is rule 1. Okay. Whatever I will tell that becomes a rule in SQL. This SQL rule number 1 is over. Rule number 2. SQL statements. All these queries, whatever we write, no, that is called a statement. Ends with semicolon. So any SQL statement will end with what?
Semicolon.
Semicolon. Can you see this? Have we used semicolon or not? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
So rule number 2 is also very, very clear. Very good. Now rule number 3 is selection of column 1, column 2, up to column n. From which table? From whichever table we want. Bracket means table name. Bracket means table name. So what is the way to select a particular column? Tell me, what is the way to select a particular column? Select column 1, column 2 from what? From the table name. So guys, so if you have understood this much, if you have understood rule number 3, so can you tell me a query to get the column salary commission? Can you tell me a query?
Select star from SAL, comma.
Hold on. I want only salary and commission. What will be the query?
Select the star from
No. Why you want a star? Star means what? Everything, all the rows and columns.
everything. Yeah.
So why you want a star? I want only 2 columns. Which are the columns? Salary and commission. So what will be the query?
Select sal, comma.
Cell.
Sal, comma what?
COMM
COMM from?
from EMP. EMP
And do I need to give that what is the
single colon. Yeah.
semicolon? Will it work? Guys, are you getting some idea how we are selecting a particular column from a particular table? And if I want all the records and column, what is the query? Select star from.
ENP.
So now at least you know how to fetch the record from a table, and you know how to fetch the record or how to fetch the columns from a table for a particular column. Okay, very good. So now you are becoming experts in SQL. Okay. this selection of column, this from the table selection, the rules are over. So now today's last rule I will take. No to SQL statement, SQL keyword can be written in 2 lines, although SQL query can be written in 2 lines. You try to understand my rule number 4. This tells what, keyword cannot be broke. What is the keyword here? Can you tell me what is the keyword here?
Select the star.
Select is a
Star.
keyword, right? Star from is a keyword. EMP is a keyword. We cannot write this into 2 lines, but we can write the particular query in 2 line, 3 line, 10 line. Select a star from EMP. Okay. So what happens? This we are writing in multiple line. This query we are writing in multiple line. This is completely fine. But if I write SE and I put it into LE in the second line, will it work?
No.
No. It will generate what? Error. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
So what is happening is that any keyword cannot be written in 2 lines, but SQL query you can write in 1000 lines. No problem. SQL is not. Can you tell me rule number 1? What is rule number 1? SQL is not
Case
Case
sensitive.
case sensitive. Then what is the rule number 2? Forgotten, huh?
It ends with semicolon.
Yes, it ends with semicolon. Then what is the rule number 3?
Rule number 3.
Guys, you have forgotten or what?
Yeah,
Think. What was rule number 3? See from the query.
How to select columns from a table.
How to select the columns or the entire,
Table.
if I want the entire columns. So for entire column, what will we be using? We'll be using star.
Star.
And if we want a particular column, we have to give the name of that particular column.
Column.
This is what is the way to fetch the record. And the last and the final rule, what we have studied is that keywords cannot be written in
Not
2
be written
lines,
in multiple
although
lines.
although
Although
SQL
the query can be written in multiple lines.
excellent, guys, excellent. So you have understood the session and I have prepared the notes. This note I will be sharing you in WhatsApp, okay? And then what will happen is you can just proceed with the classes notes and you can just think and you can just proceed with the classes. I will give you this notes also. You can decide, guys. This is how my session goes. It's a completely interactive session. You will never be bored, and I'm a person who will be keep asking, and I will be entertaining anyone to ask me any question with respect to software testing from any in this entire world. I don't think anyone would have done that much passion, or he would be similar to me, but he cannot be better than me. This I openly challenge because I have done lot of analysis, only this thing. I have written my own book. I have done so many videos, lectures, everything. This is the notes which I have given you, and recording. Whoever is having a laptop, you can just keep it. And if you like, please proceed further. And you can message me, call me personally also if you have any doubts. So for today, this much only, guys. Tomorrow will be. Yeah, tell me.
Before winding up, I would like to ask a small question from you.
Huh.
Sir, I'm working since 6 years.
Mm.
So will my this experience will be count, or I'll be treated as fresher in this?
No,
field?
no fresher. I don't teach fresher generally. Very less freshers I take. Your 6 years I will put into, 5 years I'll put into ETL and I will proceed from there.
Okay.
And any doubts now you can just ask after the class also, before the class also, during the class also. There's no, I have never stopped anyone asking any question, technical, non-technical, until the person gets placed. So that is what is today's session, guys. If you like, you please join tomorrow and we'll proceed further. Okay. Okay, then I'm leaving. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye.
Thanks, Vikram. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.